life altering. They could change your life. I mean, you struggle with alcoholism. You've met all your friends at bars, so you go to the bar, you get drunk, you leave the bar, you're drunk, you drive your car, you get into an accident, you kill somebody, you're in prison for the next 15 or 20 years. Life altering. Everybody is one decision away from life-changing results. Negatively or positively. You're one decision away. One good decision away from changing your life in a positive direction, one bad decision away from changing your life in a negative decision. And it can happen very quickly.
Yeah. So what influence, how do you deal with toxic relationships?
Get out of them. Get away from them. Stop being involved in them. Be strong enough to walk away.